Let's take a moment to discuss EOS syntax. Commands need to be entered into the console in a specific way. We have already been doing this throughout the training, but let's examine the structure in a bit more detail. The console has an expectation of commands being entered in the order of channel selection, followed by categories or parameters, followed by modifiers, followed by an action. Here are some examples of what those commands can look like. We don't always have to use something from every column, but we do have to enter them in this order. For example, we could type channel 1 at full enter, group 6 color record preset 4, cyan at /50. This syntax is used throughout all console operations. Let's examine some of these concepts in practice. If we take group 5 full enter and tilt them up onto our cyc so we can see them really well, I want to make those orange with our color picker. I'm going to drop in a gobo. We'll use this one. And I want to make that sharp. There we go. And let's zoom that out a bit. We'll check our sharpness. I have 5 fixtures here that I've modified several parameters on. Let's look at how our command line filtering can affect these fixtures. If I select 101, which is our stage left fixture, and I don't specify anything else, and I say sneak enter, it's going to sneak every parameter of that fixture. So its intensity, pan tilt, gobo, zoom, and color are all going to return to their background state, which in this case is their home value. I can also be more specific. I can say channel 102, focus, color, beam. Now to get beam on my command line, I need to double hit either form, image, or shutter. Now I'll say sneak enter. So I've narrowed down what I want to do with this fixture. You'll notice the intensity did not change because I didn't specify it. I can also say channel 103 minus intensity, sneak enter. This will do the exact same thing as before. I'm simply doing it in the negative. I'm saying take everything except for intensity and sneak it. I can also do this per parameter. I don't just have to do it by category. So we could say 104 beam, again, double hit one of those 3 choices, form, image, or shutter, minus gobo select, sneak, enter. You'll see that everything in the beam category except for gobo select returned to its background state. Command line filtering lets us be as broad or as specific as we need to when we are modifying or storing information.